Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that looks to energize and refocus you to getting you to help chase your dreams and make something big happen for you. Here's your quote for today. Remember that any exercise is better than no exercise. Whether it be exercise or just trying to create that little side hustle, any sort of progress is just that. It's progress. It's you getting yourself closer to the end goal of yours. So start today. Start with the first step, that first walk, that first jog, or the run. Every time you start to put some work into it all, that's another step closer to seeing you hit that goal, whatever that goal of yours was.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.